Hi, this is Lewis from ANIM Interiors and Install Direct. Today I wanted to talk to you about our furniture packages. A furniture package is a carefully selected range of furniture from some of the best suppliers around the world. We package it all up into specific inventories that you'd expect from a fully furnished property. With our furniture packages, you get a top interior designer to help you with the project from start to finish. We have two ranges of furniture package, gold and diamond. Gold is aimed at the landlord and tenant market. Here are a few examples of our gold range. Diamond is aimed towards homeowners and high-end tenants. Here are a few examples of our diamond range. Here's the inventory for a one-bedroom. This is a two-bed, and this is a three-bed. We also have furniture package extras, which you can add on to the furniture pack if you needed more inventory. Now, buying one of our packages will take away everything you hate about buying furniture. The lead time, making sure everything looks good and fits well, delivery, installation, assembly, not to mention the service you get after shopping at 5 different stores, and fingers crossed you've got all the measurements right. With our furniture pack, you have everything in stock here in London. You have an interior designer to make sure everything looks great and fits well. Our installation team will deliver, install and stage the property all within 10 to 14 days. Here are a few furniture packages we've recently completed in London. If you're looking to get a furniture pack, I definitely recommend adding on a linen pack just to make the property feel a bit more homely, and maybe adding a few scatter cushions on the beds and the sofas. My second tip for landlords is definitely get window dressing. Whether it be curtains or blinds, it makes a massive difference to prospective tenants. Please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll be uploading more videos shortly on our designs and projects.